At Cre8ive You, our vision is to reduce stress and improve mental well-being, combat loneliness, encourage social connectivity, increase creativity within society by reaching out to those who have an interest alongside those who would not usually choose this as an activity. Our workshops offer creative learning experiences for young people and adults, specialising in textile art and customisation, encouraging natural creativity, mindfulness and mental well-being. Due to the current situation, we have adapted to hold the workshops on a virtual format using individually prepared postbox friendly boxes. Once life comes back to a sense of normality, we will continue with the development of our face-to-face workshops to help bring us back together as a society. We can all have times where we feel that everything is getting on top of us, by ourselves, life is too fast-paced, or we just simply want something else, something new to concentrate on for a while. So please come and join our family